Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to see the second part in your first lesson, knowing your numbers. So, children, I hope all of you have gone through your first session video, right? Okay. So, have you finished your worksheets? Now, we are going to see the second part of your first lesson. And in today's session, we are going to see the system of numbering in maths, the Indian system of numbering, the international system of numbering, expanding numbers, and how to insert commas for larger numbers. We do have a small activity to test whether you have understood this two system of numbering. Okay, children, are you ready for today's session? Shall we move? Okay, so let me ask you a question. Where do we use larger numbers? For example, like lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Where do you use these larger numbers? Do we use it in our day-to-day life? No. We do use it in terms of population of a country or the members of the school or colleges or the state expense of a state, etc. Right? So today we are going to know and how to read large numbers. So here we have a large number. How are we going to read this number? 1, 5, 2, 7, 0, 0, 3, 7, 5. Are we going to read the digits individually? No. We are going to know how to read these numbers in terms of a full complete sentence, right? So there are two types of numbering in maths. What are the two types of numbering in maths, children? Indian system of numbering and international system of numbering. Let me repeat. Indian system of numbering and international system of numbering. So before we go into reading numbers, we have to get to know the two systems of numbering more clearly, right? So let us see the Indian system of numbering. This is the Indian system of numbering. So we have ones towards your rightmost end, starting with ones, followed by tens, followed by 100. Okay, children? So after 100 we have a period. What is a period? This is the time of termination, right? After ones, tens, hundreds we have a comma. Okay, children? So 1000 and 10,000, that is a thousands period. So after 1000 and 10,000 we do have a comma. Next we go on to lakhs and 10 lakhs. So after 10 lakhs we have a period and we do put a comma. So next is the crore followed by 10 crore. So after 10 crores we do put a comma. So this is the normal mode of Indian system of numbering. So how do we classify Indian system of numbering? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Let me repeat. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, children? So when I give you a larger number like 2, 9, 0 and 2, So how will you read these numbers? Let us place it in the place value system according to the Indian system of numbering. So 2 comes in the ones place, 0 comes in the tens place, 9 comes in the hundreds place, and again 2 comes in the place of 1000. So how do you read this larger number? You read it as 2902. So how do you read it, children? 2902. Next we have a much bigger number. Yes. So 4, 3, 5, 5, 6, 4, 0, 6. So when we read this number, we have to place it in the place value system. So 6 comes to the ones place, 0 comes to the tens place, 4 comes to the hundreds place, 6 comes to the thousands place, 5 comes to the 10,000s place, again 5 comes to lakhs place, and 3 comes to 10 lakhs, and 4 in the crores place. So it is read as 4 crore 35 lakhs 56,406. How do you read this number, children? 4 crores 35 lakhs 56,406. Let me read it again. 4 crore 35 lakhs 56,406. Did you understand how to read larger numbers, children? Any number, before reading it, you have to place them in the place value, then you have to read it. Okay, children? Next we have the international system of numbering. So before we go to the international system of numbering, let's watch a small video.
International system of writing numbers in words. The system of writing numbers in words discussed earlier is called the Indian system. In international system, we use 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. While writing in international system, we separate the period by putting comma in groups of 3 from the extreme right. The first 3 digits from the extreme right make units period, next 3 digits make thousands, and the next period makes millions period. For example, 93,40,596 is.
So here we have 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Let me repeat. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay, children? So whenever you will not be having lakhs or crore in international system. Instead, you will have 100,000, millions, 10 million, billion, 10 billion. Okay? So you will not have lakhs and 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore in international system of numbers. Okay, children? So here we do have ones, tens, hundreds, but in the place of thousands we have 3 blocks, that is thousands, 10,000s, and we don't have lakhs here. Instead of lakhs we have 100,000. Yes. Then comes the million. After the million we will have 10 million, billion and 10 billion. Okay, children? Did you understand? let me explain it to you once more. So here we have in the units ones, tens, hundreds, and in the thousands period we will be having 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So in hundreds thousand, after hundreds thousand we will be having million, 10 billions. We will not be having lakhs and crores in international system of writing. Did you understand, children? Okay. So let me take an example. Now we have 9340 and 596 as a number given. So how will you write this number, children? Okay. So 6 will be to the units 1, 9 will come to tens place, 5 will come to hundreds place. Next, followed by 0 will be to the thousands place, 4 to the 10,000 and 3 will be followed by 100,000s and 9 will be in terms of million. So did you understand, children, or let me explain once more? Okay. 6 will come in ones place, 9 in the hundreds place, 5 to the hundreds place, 0 to the thousands place, 4 to the 10,000s place, 3 for the 100,000s place, and 9 will come to millions. So when we read this number, it will be 9,340,596. So let me repeat, 9,340,596. Repeat it once more, children. 9,340,596. So in international system, this method of numbering will be a little difficult, but once you get used to write these numbers, it will be very easy. Okay, children? So
340,596.
So let us see the table for international system of numbering. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, trillions, 10 trillions and 100 trillions. Okay, children? Repeat it once more. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, trillions, 10 trillions and 100 trillions. So this is the tabular column that represents the international system of numbering. Okay, children? So this is a formatted one. Like ones you have only one digit, tens you have 2 digits, hundreds you have 3 digits, thousands is 4 digits, 10,000 you will have 5 digits, 100,000 you will have 6 digits, millions 7 digits and 10 millions 8 digits. So did you understand the international numeration, children? Okay. Okay, now I have a big number displayed here, 50801592. So how will you number these according to the international numeration and tell the number names for this? Okay, children? So 2 will come in ones place, 9 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 1 will be in thousands place, 0 will be in 10,000s place, 8 will be in 100,000's place, 0 will come in millions place, and 5 will come in 10 millions. So we will read it as 50,801,592. Repeat, 50,801,592. Okay children, did you understand the international numeration? Okay, so I am going to differentiate between the Indian numeration and international numeration. The same number, if we are going to do in international and Indian, how it will be? So the first one comes under international. It is 50,801,592. The same number, if you are going to do in Indian numeration, you will have 2 in ones place, 9 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000s place, 8 in lakhs place, 0 in 10 lakhs place, and 5 will be in crores place. So it will be read as 5 crore 8 lakhs 1,592. So did you note down the difference of commas where it has been placed both in international and Indian numeration, children? Yes. So we are going to learn how this is happening when we come to the last part, when we are going to see where commas should be inserted. Okay children, so let's see how to expand numbers. Okay children, this you would have learnt in your lower classes, but you would have not learned for larger numbers, right? So here we are going to expand numbers. So before we expand numbers, what are the things we are going to do? First, you have to identify the numbers in ones, tens and hundreds, and then you have to expand them accordingly. Okay children, now I am going to give you an example. So 257, how will you expand this number? So here 7 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. So you are going to expand this as 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So this is the expanded form of 257. Let me tell to you in this way. So when I give you an example, 257, 7 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, and 2 it is in the hundreds place. So when you expand 257 on the whole, it comes like 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Okay children, did you understand? Now we are going to take an activity. So how will you expand these numbers? So first I have given you an example. Later on you do it by yourself. Okay children? So 20,000. How will you expand 20,000? 2 into 10,000. So how will you expand 20,000? 2 into 10,000. And how will you expand 26,000 children? Any idea? So 26,000 can be expanded 26 into 1000. Okay? So 26,000 can be expanded like 26 into 1000. And 50,000 can be expanded 50 into 1000. So how will you expand 50,000? 50 into 1000. So last one, 41,000. How will you expand 41,000? So you will expand it as 41 into 1000 is 41,000. So, did you understand this activity, children? I'll give you more sums in worksheet so that you will be able to practice. Okay, children? Now, here comes the last thing for this chapter. Now, how to write numbers for larger numbers and insert commas. How to write number names for larger numbers and insert commas. So, the first step is separate the numbers according to the place value. So, once a larger number is given, you first separate the numbers according to the place value. Second step, check whether the question is for Indian system or international system. So, next step, you have to check whether it is for Indian system or international system. Then, third step, you start writing the number names. And now you will know where to insert the commas, right? So, let me give you an example. So, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 9, 0, 0 in Indian system. So, 0 will come in ones place, followed by another 0 in tens place, 9 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place, 6 in lakhs place, 7 in 10 lakhs place, 8 will be in crore place, and 9 again will be in 10 crores place. So, it is 98 crores, 76 lakhs, 56,000 and 900. So, you have 3 periods in Indian system, that is the units period, then thousands period, lakh period and crore period. So, that is being differentiated in different colors. For example, the units period is identified by the dark green color and thousands period is identified as black color and lakhs place is identified as grey in color and crore period is identified as yellow in color. Okay, children, wherever the period stops, you have to put a comma. Now, let us revise. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. So, 1 lakh is equal to 10,000s. 1 million is equal to 100,000. 1 million is equal to 100,000. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs. Again, we can write it like this also. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So, this is an important, it will come in fill in the blanks, children. Better learn this. Okay. When you learn this, you will get used to converting numbers from Indian and international system. Okay, children. Now, there is a small activity. Now, you are going to insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. So, these are the questions, children. Carefully note it down in a piece of paper and then start writing. Okay. So, you have to do this without seeing the answers. Okay. You can pause the video and you can do this. Once you finish, you can play it again to see the answers. So, let me give out the answers now. So, 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 6, 2. So, how will you differentiate this number in Indian system? So, the first question, 2 2 will come in ones place, 6 in the tens place, and 7 in hundreds place. 5 will be in thousands place, 9 in 10,000s place. 5 again will go in lakhs place, 7 in 10 lakhs. 8 will go in crores. So the answer will be 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. Let me repeat. 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. So the second question is 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. So the 3 will come in ones place, 8 to the tens place, 2 to the hundreds place, 6 to the thousands place, 4 to the 10,000s place, 5 it will be in lakhs, and 8 will be in 10 lakhs. So now the answer is being read as 85 lakhs 46,283. Let me repeat. 85 lakhs 46,283. The third question, 9, 9, 9, 9, 0, 0, 0, 4, 6. So this will be read as 6 will be in ones place, 4 in the tens place, 0 will be in the hundreds place, 0 again in thousands place, 0 will be in 10,000s place, 9 in the place of lakhs, again 9 will be in the place of lakhs, another 9 for crores, and the last 9 is for 10 crores. So the answer will be 99 crores 90 lakhs and 46. Let me repeat. 99 crores 90 lakhs and 46. So the last number will be 98432701. So 1 will be in ones place, 0 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place, 3 in lakhs place, 4 in 10 lakhs, 8 will be in crore, 9 will be in 10 crores. So the answer is 98 crores 43 lakhs 27,001. Let me repeat. 98 crores 43 lakhs 27,001. So next, another small activity. You have to insert commas suitably and write the names according to the international system of numeration. Now, these numbers you have to name in the form of international system of numbering. Okay, children? Now, quickly copy down in a piece of paper. You start writing without seeing the answers. Just pause the video, and then once you finish, you can play it back to check the answers. Okay? Now I am going to give you the answers. So 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9 and 2. So 2 will be in ones place, 9 in hundreds place, tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 1 it will be in thousands place, 2 10,000s place, 9 in 100,000s place, 8 will be in millions place, and 7 will be in 7 will be in 10 millions place. So the answer is 78,921,092. Let me repeat. 78,921,092. So the second answer is 7,452,283. Let me repeat the second question. 7,452,283. The third answer is 99,985,102. 99,985,102. So the next final answer 48,040,831. 48,040,831. So that's all for today's session, children. Please go through everything carefully and work out the sums which I have given and follow the worksheets properly. If you have any doubts, just go through the video once or twice. You will be able to understand. So once when you come to school, we will see this in detail with clear explanations. Okay, children? Thank you.